Did you know that improper cleaning techniques can actually reinfect your business with the dangerous virus? Here at L.N.C Services, we want to keep you and your employees as safe as possible, which is why we go above and beyond the CDC standards to train our employees on the right way to clean and disinfect your business. Hi, I am Jamal Azim Brown, the President and CEO of L.N.C Services Group Incorporated. And during this pandemic, we have helped many businesses in the tri state area that have dealt with the COVID 19 virus face to face. At L&C, we understand that what it means to be clean has changed dramatically. We utilize special equipment and solutions that kills 99.9% of germs, including the dangerous viruses, and the step-by-step process we use has been effective to disinfect high-touch areas, which will help you get back to business and ensure the safety of your employees, customers, and family. As the CEO, I have made sure that our cleaning standards are in line with CDC guidelines and local authorities. We look forward to helping you get back to business as soon as possible. Thank you very much.